Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's a beautiful day outside. Very cold still, but the sun is out after a few days of snowstorms. So I figured, hey, why not? This is a good chance to get the camera out and give you guys a quick tour and introduce you to my channel, what I'll be talking about, and what are some of the things that you can expect to see. Quick background on me and my family. We kind of did something a little bit insane a few years back. We bought a property without actually having fully seen the whole thing. We came out here and saw it in winter of 2016, and it kind of checked all of our boxes, to be honest. We knew we wanted to get out of the city and live somewhere a little bit more closely connected with nature. It had a beautiful house on it. We had this ideal sort of image of a homestead, and we said, hey, why not? We signed a deal and we came out here in 2017. Not fully realizing what we were getting ourselves into, but now after 3 years of having been here, having had a chance to kind of walk through the whole property, doing a bit of a survey, cut some trails and get access to some of it, I'm starting to realize what kind of a gem we have, and I'm starting to feel my responsibility towards it, to kind of maintain it, take care of it, help restore some parts of it, and to a place where I can leave something behind for the next generation that's in a better state than I found it. So that's what really my channel is going to be all about. It's about forest restoration, habitat conservation, and really our journey going through this, living on this property and then bringing it to that sort of full biodiverse state that it once may have been. You could expect to see videos in four areas. The primary area being all about forest restoration. What are some of the sort of like the keystone species around here? What are some of the ecological landmarks that has been on this property at some point and the states they're in now? What are some of the impacts of eliminating keystone species and sort of giving way to invasive species actually taking place, and what are some of the mitigation strategies to combat those invasive species? The second category is about water. I'm gonna be really paying a lot of attention to our water beds, our water flows, and the basins that exist on this property. We do live on a very interesting terrain here. I will be doing a full video and giving you a proper tour of the different zones that are on our property, so you'll have a better idea of what I'm talking about. But water is definitely going to be one of the major focal points. Third category is forest gardening. It's truly my passion and what I believe to be the ultimate sort of version of the permaculture sort of philosophy. It's living. It's all about our interaction with the forest and living in harmony and symbiosis with the forest. The ability to live off of the land in a way that you're not really putting a lot of energy into your cultivation practices, rather trying to kind of guide the nature in a way where it can support you and then help you with your food production. And the last but not least category is about building off-grid cabins that are zero footprint, zero waste, little oasis that allows you to escape to the nature and gives you a place where you can spend some time to enjoy it, take it all in, do some observation, do your studies, and just be. So yeah, that's it for now. That'll be kind of what you can expect from this channel, so please subscribe. I'll look forward to your comments. I'm not by any means an expert in you know, ecological restoration or conservation. I'm not Bear Grylls, just passionate about this. Definitely have a lot to learn, and this is going to be a journey. So I look forward to your ideas, comments, input. If you have things that you've learned about any of these subjects in the past, please feel free to share. I'll look forward to those, and until then, I'll see you outside.